So, nollies are feeling better and better every time. Picking them up real quick. The switch ollie's just not happening today. I feel unbalanced, unco. I'll just try one or two more and then get into some 180s. We'll get there. It's coming. It's happening. Yeah, they feel really stupid when I'm popping, but as soon as I pop and I'm coming back to regular, it just feels normal again. I can catch them. That pop's not really working. They're not pretty, but they're happening. Not quite full rotation, but that's probably the closest one I've had. Can't get that full rotation. It's just, they still don't feel right. It's like my body's falling away from the board when I try to rotate. That was immediate. So front foot more off the edge, back foot more on this side. So when I hit and push, that felt 20 times better straight away. Try it again. Yes, sir. That's unlocked. One more and we move on. I knew I shouldn't have committed to that. I was hesitant on the runner. Just I wasn't concentrating, my mind was somewhere else. And of course I ate shit. One more, let's go. So, for regular, not having your front foot not here, but like here, so that you can collect this whole nose as you turn. Otherwise you hit here and it kind of pushes it out and wants to chuck it away from you. There and there. Alright, that'll do. Move on to the next one.
Wait here, son. It'll soon be over.
Put them on lock. Do not have them on lock. When you actually take the time to think about a trick and work on it, it just comes together so quickly. I don't know, I wish I was doing this when I was a kid, instead of just throwing myself off massive fucking ledges. So that one, I wasn't getting any pop on them. I was kind of getting the rotation, but there was no pop. So I just went, look, I'll just do a fakie and then twist. I'll just do a fakie ollie and then twist as quick as I can. It just came together. So I might try that a couple more times. There's no way I'm going to get nollie 180s today. And switch backside. That just feels impossible in my head. So I might have a couple of goes of them just before I leave, but I doubt I'll lock anything else in today. Now I'm trying to pop up too much. A similar concept with those nollies. I think once I can actually pop a good nollie, I'll be able to pop those. Got the rotation, no worries, but there's no pop in them. It's almost just like I'm pivoting. It's similar to the fakies. I think you just got to pop them, pop and turn, you know. But actually know how to nollie before you can nollie 180. Makes sense. That trick just doesn't compute in my brain. I'll have that next session, for sure.